Right, welcome back to the channel. This video is for Gav, or anyone else that might be interested. MG3 heated rear screen not working. Now I have covered this before in a previous video, but it was only a quick one. Tailgate trim was already off, and I just quickly soldered the thing on. But we can do this one start to finish. So I'll spin you around, obviously I'll show you the symptoms first, and then we'll crack on and do it. So the symptom is the light comes on in the switch, but the rear window doesn't demist or defrost. So yeah, let's get on and fix it. So we need to remove this tailgate trim, and there's a screw up there, and I think that's it, and it should just pull off. It's been a while since I've done one of these, so I'll try and remember. Arm yourself with a trim tool and basically just carefully prise it off. There we go. And there's our problem there, look, that has come off of there. Right, that's got it. So there we are, all soldered back on. Let's give it a test. Yeah, you can see that that's working. Right, let's refit the tailgate trim. So refitting, basically just make sure that all these tabs line up with the holes before you slap him on, otherwise you'll break these off. And then put the screw in. And there we are, fixed.